Portable TV. Portable TV. Come watch with me.
As the world moves closer to mass vaccinations against COVID-19, Russia was one of the first countries to register its Sputnik V vaccine. Several nations have raised questions regarding the vaccine's efficacy, citing a lack of data. Russian President Putin announced plans to begin large-scale vaccinations as early as next week, and millions of doses have already been produced. RT's Yulia Shapovalova sits down for an exclusive interview with the CEO of one of the companies tapped to mass-produce the Sputnik V.
We know that for Russians, the vaccine will be free and the vaccination voluntary. Compared to other vaccines, including foreign ones, is the cost of production higher or lower?
I'm not authorized to disclose the pricing details at this moment, but I can assure you that it's very affordable. Also, you already mentioned the entire program is state-funded. I am sure that this vaccine will not be distributed via commercial channels, at least for now.
What about potential orders from foreign countries?
The Russian Direct Investment Fund is actively working on this. You must have heard the CEO, Kirill Dmitriev, speaking about this. I talked to him yesterday. They are now discussing the possibility of exporting the vaccine abroad.
It's been reported that vaccine production will be launched in India as well.
I can confirm that there is a cooperation project to this end underway with a partner from India and another partner from Argentina. And we're also on track for similar cooperation with South Korea.
We all know that other countries are developing COVID-19 vaccines as well, including the US and the UK. We have also heard reports in the media about the Russian vaccine being 92% effective.
The most interesting thing here, however, is that we are in fact talking about two vaccines. The vaccine developed by the Gamaleya Research Institute consists of two different shots. It's a quite complex task in terms of production because you have to manufacture two vaccines as opposed to one.
Okay then, what if other manufacturers produce a simpler vaccine, one that requires only one shot? Wouldn't it be a shortcut to the same goal?
We'll see the effectiveness of these shortcuts once the clinical trials are completed. Also, time will tell which vaccine is more efficient and provides better immunity in the long term.
Western experts say that we Russians are rushing into this because any vaccine needs to be tried and tested for a fairly long period of time, and we've done everything so fast. It's obvious, of course, that we can't drag our feet here because we need this now.
When our Western counterparts make statements, we need to look very closely at who does it and what they're saying exactly. For example, they frequently complain that the Gamaleya Institute hasn't published enough data and so on.
Personally, I think there isn't enough information on either Russian-made vaccines or the vaccines that are being developed in other countries in terms of their safety. How can you prove that they're safe? How are you going to convince people to vaccinate? That's a very important issue. Another question is, what is the human adenovirus? Where are you going to get it to make the vaccine?
By this point, we've seen convincing data that proves the vaccine is safe. It was proven during preclinical animal testing. I'm talking about safety now, not effectiveness. Then it was proven during clinical trials on healthy volunteers. We've done all that, and statistics show that the vaccine is safe. You also asked where we would get the adenovirus. That's part of our job, of course, and the job of the researchers who developed this vaccine. There are special cell banks for that.